Hi folks, Joe Russo going to show you how to access Brightspace Pulse app so that you can access the virtual learning environment. Just enter in Toronto CDSB and you'll be able to go and log in to the Toronto Catholic portal. Select login as student or as teacher. Put in your username and password. What you're going to do is you're going to be able to go and land on the homepage where all your courses are. When you're in your course, you're going to notice the content pages. You can select amongst the pages and your content will load, and then you can participate in what it is that you see. You can also access different functions on the sidebar, for example, class list, so that you can actually locate your teacher. You can click on their name and compose an email to them. You can also locate where the discussions are happening by clicking on discussions. You can also go in and locate your assignments folders. When you're on the home page, click on your profile so that you can set up notifications, because with notifications, then you will receive notifications to your app or to your email. It's fantastic and convenient. The Pulse app allows you to check your notifications, anything you've been subscribing to in terms of content pages or discussions. Also, if your teacher's using the calendar option, you can see what's happening throughout the week. And that also is, again, all in one place through the Brightspace Pulse app.